To change image in a Canva template, let's pick an Instagram post and let's select the template we want to change image in. Let's use this template and let's click on customize design. Our design is opened in the editor. We want to come to our uploads tab to bring in our images into our design. Or if you want to select from the Canva element library, you can always come to photos and search the image you're looking for. I'm going to go back into my uploads tab and I'm going to hold the image I want to put in the template and drag it like so and replace it with the image that is there. You see how it replaced? I'm going to click on the image if I want to adjust and come over to crop, and you see that I have the option to move my image how I want it or even expand my image. I'm going to click on done and replace the other images I have in my design. Let me replace this one and let me replace this one. This is how easy it is to replace image in a Canva template.